Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have a Spidey fan in your life and are looking for a gift, this Spidey and his amazing friends VTech learning watch has been awesome. My favorite kind of toy is one that's fun for kids, but also keeps them learning, and this one does just that. My son is 4 years old, and this is a perfect watch for his collection. He loves watches in general, but Spider-Man and Spidey and His Amazing Friends is one of his favorite shows, so when he received this, he was ecstatic. What's awesome about this watch is it can help them to learn one very basic skill, telling time. So they feel important, they can learn how to tell time, and they have it right on their wrist with this watch. It also has different learning games that helps them learn numbers, which is always a plus in my opinion. It's extremely durable, which is great because most kids are not easy on their watches and toys especially. The wristband is a really nice silicone material, and I like that it even has this nice, cool, protective Spidey face here. I like that it has a variety of different favorite phrases from the show too.
Let's swing out. It's Spidey time. Go, Webs, go!
Go Webs Go is my favorite, but it's really cool and fun. The top flips right open and you can see the watch there, the face. It's just really interactive and cool. So if you have a little one who loves Spidey and His Amazing Friends, check out this watch from VTech. But that's just my point of view.